They're giving me 2000s elevated. Kind of tin man, aluminum foil built. Is this a bra or a shirt? When I was putting on, you can hear the snaps. A little bit more HD, clearer.
Like the first time, I don't get tired, let them wear that, ayy. Put my feet up on the bed, ride it to the tip top, T. Like it doggy style, cause I make that ass pop.
What's up, lovelies? Welcome back to my channel. As you see by the title, we have once again another Aliexpress haul. I know you guys love these hauls on my channel, and I'm really glad to get back into doing more fashion related content and just get into my niche or whatever. But if you don't know who I am, and it's making like I make fashion vlogs here. If you need that type of content, so if you're interested in that type of content, definitely just head over to my channel, click that like, subscribe, bell notifications, all those buttons for me, girl. And I got a new light. If y'all haven't noticed, let me know down in the comments how the quality is, how everything is looking. I do have my ear on, so I'm sorry if you guys can hear that in the background. All right, so with Aliexpress, if you don't know, Aliexpress is an online like China shopping center. Basically, it has a bunch of different vendors. I would suggest you download the app if you are interested in shopping at Aliexpress, but it does have a whole bunch of different vendors and a lot of the same clothes in each vendor. But the items that I'm going to be showing you are the items that I personally received, and are from the exact vendor, so you can count on it being the exact quality that I'm showing you. Always, everything will be linked out in the description box, all the links, my measurements, everything. Also check the screen for how much everything is and what size I got. But with all that being said, y'all, let's just get right into the sponsor and let's just get right into the video. All right, y'all, we are back with another lovely sponsor, and today's sponsor, of course, is DOSSIER. You know DOSSIER sponsors your girl all the time, so I want to give a big shout out to DOSSIER for sponsoring this section of the video. If you don't know what DOSSIER is a luxury perfume brand that is sold at a very affordable prices. If you're not new here, you already know the rundown on DOSSIER, but if you are new, so of course your perfume will come in this super cute cardboard box. It says DOSSIER on the bottom of the box, and we're just going to open her right on up. Of course, like I always say, as words at the top of the box, and then you get your card of what your fragrance is called and all of the notes. If you're really into that stuff, here's your card. You can read all of the notes. This perfume is called the Floral Pink Pepper. It smells so bomb, girl. This one is inspired by Miss Dior Cheryl. Yeah, I know I can't speak French, but DOSSIER is amazing and affordable. And guess what? Every bottle that you order comes with a sampler scent right here. So this sampler scent, let me put this down. This sampler scent is going to be your best friend, especially if you have not ordered the scent before and you don't really know what it smells like, but you're trying it out. So what you're going to do for the first 30 days, you're going to use this little bottle and spray it all over yourself. You know how we like to drown. I like to drown myself in the scent. So that's what you're going to do with this for 30 days. If you love it, of course, pop open the big bottle. But if you don't love it, you can always send her back. That is one of the amazing things about DOSSIER, is that if you don't love a perfume, you can always send her back if you have not opened the big bottle. I know it can be sometimes hard to find perfumes online, and if you're a beginner, you don't really know what scents you like, what notes you want on your skin, or how anything smells on your skin. So being able to have this free return policy is literally amazing. Here is the big bottle of the Floral Pink Pepper. My discount code will be on the screen and down in the description box. I will have a link to DOSSIER in the description box as well. So once again, one more big shout out to DOSSIER for sponsoring this video. All right, y'all, so I have a bunch of different hot pieces to show y'all this go round, and the first one is this graphic tee. Now, I've been getting into graphic tees. I've been getting into a little bit more street style, but don't get me wrong, I'm still a girly girl. But for this graphic tee, it is the Camarion, right? No. For this graphic tee, it is the Cameron graphic tee. I will admit the quality on here isn't the best. Like, it's looking a little bit blurry for me. It's giving blurry. It's giving taken on a flip phone, but it is still cute. It does the job. It is just this black graphic tee. I'm pretty sure I got these in a size medium. It definitely does fit oversized. Of course, you'll see it better in the try on section, but I really like this. It is a cotton material, which is really important for me, because sometimes I order graphic tees and it's in that nylon slinky material, and that is not a graphic tee to me. That's a sleep shirt. I want a graphic tee that I can wear with some shorts, with some biker shorts, with some basketball shorts, and make it look good. and not make it look cheap. So I need a cotton shirt, and they definitely gave me a cotton shirt. They just did like the little press on or whatever that they do with the material, and I think it looks really good. I haven't washed it or worn it or anything, so I don't know how well it actually holds up, but for quality's sake, it is a 10 out of 10 for me. I will admit the press on like sticker thing could have been a little bit more HD clearer, but everything else, I'm giving it a 10 out of 10, babes. This is an amazing graphic tee, so definitely check the links for this one. All right, y'all, moving right along. I told you I got some fire. Now this one is actually a set of makeup brushes. This is what it looks like. I buy makeup brushes from Aliexpress all the time. Literally, you can find anything you want on Aliexpress. If you want a bed, go to Aliexpress. If you want sheets, go to Aliexpress. If you want hair, go to Aliexpress, honey. I'm sure they probably sell cars. I'm just kidding. But I did pick up some makeup brushes, and this is what it looks like. It's definitely giving nudes. It's giving KKW. I love how this looks. I love that they put the mesh on some of them, so I'm like messing it up. I don't think you can see that, but I love how they put the mesh on some of them, so the brush won't just like spread out before it's ready to go. Love that. But yes, I don't know how many pieces this is. It's a whole bunch, but I'm probably just gonna throw my old ones away and just get these and just start using these, because I don't really clean my brushes hardly as much as I need to, and I'm going into more of like a nuder type of era. So the pink hot pink unicorn brushes that I have, they're about to get thrown away because we on some grown people stuff now. These are so cute. I can't wait to try them out. I will let you know how these brushes are doing on the skin, but so far I really like them. They came in this cute little dust bag, so if I'm going traveling or when I have to go back to school, I can put all my brushes in here, and I know they'll be safe, so love that. Next up, y'all know it would not be a McKinley Brook haul if I don't have a two-piece set in this. So this is this super cute cream two-piece set. You're not going to get the true light in right now just because I have my amazing little newer light on, but these are these super cute biker shorts, and then I have a tank top that is paired with this. But the material on these are A1. Like, this is quality. This is heavy. Like, you can see how heavy it is. Well, you can't really see, but it's giving thick. Okay, it's giving very much thick. The only thing that I messed up on this was my sizing. I wasn't expecting this quality to be this great, so I was sizing up because I feel like the quality might have been a little bit too form-fitting on me. But no, I definitely should have got a small because these are pretty big on me. I mean, of course they fit me, but I like to be snatched in my stuff. So I could have gotten a small. I got these in a medium though, but I definitely could have gotten a small. So I suggest you get your normal size because this material is so stretchy. It gives you a whole bunch of room, and it's thick. Love these shorts. And then here goes the top. I am not like stoked about this top just because it does not flatter my body, like the shape of it and everything. Maybe it's because of the like spongy strings, or it is because of like how it has like the underwire thing but no underwire, so it doesn't push my girls up at all. It's just the look of an underwire, and my boobs are like falling under it, so it just makes me look a little bit frumpy, and it doesn't give what it really needs to give. But I will say the shorts alone are just amazing. But I feel like if I wear a strapless bra, this shirt will look really good on me. But y'all know I don't be wearing bras like that, so I like things that I can just throw on without a bra, and this is not one that will flatter me if I do not put on a bra fit. But I do love the set. Like I said, I love the quality of the set. It's definitely giving high quality. All right, next up I have some jewelry to show you guys, and I will be doing an updated jewelry collection very soon, and I'm gonna have a lot of new pieces in that jewelry collection from Aliexpress, so definitely keep your eye out for that if you're interested in all of my jewelry finds that I have been finding on Aliexpress. But these are some super cute crescent moon type of shaped earrings, and this is just what they look like. I know my camera is not doing an amazing job. Okay, there you go. You can see how it looks and how it focuses. Of course it's brown because your girl is into the browns and the nudes, but this is just what they look like. I feel like they're gonna go perfectly with all of my outfits and all of my neutral color outfits and neutral tone outfits that I wear. I just think they're just gonna look so good on me, so I definitely picked these. Quality on these as well is phenomenal. All right, moving on, I did pick up a very printed kind of like statement piece crop top, and this is what it looks like. It is this zebra in mint green, or kind of like a blue, kind of like a baby blue, and brown top. It is sleeveless. What I will say about this is the quality isn't great, but I don't believe it is see-through, so you can't wear this without a bra. It is just, for me, I have a big back. I have a big back, I have big shoulders. I'm a very like heavy topped woman, so I definitely could have got a large. I got this in a medium, and when I was putting on, you can hear the snaps. You can hear the snaps of the seams. They're like pop, 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 trying to get over this back of mine. But it is super cute. I still can wear this. I definitely still can wear this and take pictures in it. It is a tad bit uncomfortable just because of my body type and my shape. But if you're not as broad as me, which you're probably not, it's not a lot of girls broad as me, babes, but you're probably not, so this will look so good on you. It is a good length. It's not too cropped, so if you're moving and stuff, you won't have to worry about under boob, because a lot of these crop tops are getting very, very cropped. Like, is this a bra or a shirt? But this is not like that, so I really, really appreciate this, and it's bomb, and it was very, very affordable. So yeah, really like this. Just wish it had a little bit more give for your big back girls. All right, next I have another jewelry piece, and it is just this ring that matches perfectly. It is just this ring that matches perfectly with my earrings that I just showed you guys. I don't know why it's not trying to focus right now. Okay, there you go. This is what the ring looks like. It's like this little abstract kind of ring, but it is cute. I will say these Aliexpress rings are tiny. I don't know if I just have big fingers or what it is, but all these rings are pinky rings. I got them big fingers, babes. I got them big knuckles, but we're gonna make it do what it do, as we always do. I do really, really like this. Very good quality. It's just like an acrylic ring. I'm sure you've seen this everywhere, but I think it's really, really unique and really cute. Next up, when I tell you these shorts are fire, you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, girl, where you get them? Bam, they're from Aliexpress. These are so cute. They're just these silver kind of tin man aluminum foil built no, but this is just what it looks like. These are these high-waisted ruffle detailing shorts. I will admit, your whole butt is going to be out if you do decide to wear these out. This is definitely like a club or a photo shoot type of shorts, because I could not turn around in my try-on section because the girls was hanging out. But I will say it fits me so well in the waist, so it definitely has a really good fit in the waist. It's not gapping or anything, and it has this invisible zipper on the back of the shorts. But I really, really like this. It makes your shape look really good. I had this for a while, and I wish I would have posted in already, because now I'm starting to see a lot of Instagram girls wearing these, and I'm joining the club a little late, even though I had them before them probably. But these are so cute. I really, really like these. It's just, these are not everyday shorts, because your bum is out. Like, you can't wear underwear with these because it's that much out. But I really like this. Definitely a statement piece, definitely a photo shoot baddie girl. All right, continuing on with the jewelry pieces, it is basically the same ring that I just showed you, except this one is in silver. So this one is just a silver one, but it is literally the same exact design, but I can get this one down a little bit more. So it's got a little bit more give for your girl, because it's still not going past the knuckles. But I was just sticking with some more of the jewelry in the like abstract type pieces that you can just put on your fingers, and it just elevates your whole look. It's like you really tried today, and yes, I did try. So appreciate it. Super cute ring, very good quality. Haven't worn it yet, so I'm not sure about if it tarnishes. Oh, I didn't even notice this, but it can widen. So for your thick finger girls, it widens, boo. It widens, so I can put this all the way down on my finger. Look at that. When I say I want you to be flexible, this is what I mean. Oh wait, I don't think I was supposed to do that. No, actually I broke it. Yeah, that's not how I was supposed to do. It was like $2, but still I'm kind of low-key mad. But I did break it, so don't do that. If you get this, it's not flexible. I was kidding. All right, y'all, I have a couple more pieces to show you, and it is another graphic too. But now you know we got Jenny from the block on here. So we got our girl JLo, and this picture quality is a lot better. They took their time with this one. They took their time with this one, but it is so cute. It just says Jenny from the block on it, and then it has my girl JLo on here, and it says don't be fooled by the rocks that I got. Alright, JLo, and this color is not pure black. It is like a heather black. I don't know if that's a thing. It's like heather gray but heather black. So cute, oversized. Can't wait to pair this with some biker shorts. It looks really, really good on your girl. So if you're looking for some graphic tees, and graphic tees that don't just have like NASCARs on it and stuff that you cannot relate to, definitely click these links, because I'm sure you know JLo. Like, if you don't know Cameron, you know my girl JLo. So definitely pick up the shirt. So cute, quality impeccable. All right, y'all, last but not least, I do have some stunner shades for y'all. Y'all know I come through with the bomb shade. Here we go, baby. It's giving motorsport, it's giving avatar, it's giving don't talk to me. Bia, is that what you said? Bia, because it's a whole lot of money, okay? Because these look so cute, but these are just kind of these like very futuristic type of glasses is what they look like. So cute. I will admit they will get so dirty so fast just because of like the metallic on it and everything, but they're so bomb. Can't wait to rock these. They're giving me very expensive. They're giving me 2000s elevated, you get me? But yeah, they're so cute. Definitely recommend these. Very sturdy, pop out piece. All right, y'all, that was the end of this haul. I hope you guys liked this video. I have a whole bunch more Aliexpress videos coming your way. Like I said, I have a jewelry one coming very, very soon, so keep an eye out on that, and let me know what other type of videos y'all want to see from me. Yeah, I'll see y'all lovelies in the next one. Bye.